Click the gear icon at the top right corner to go to your settings. You want to scroll down for a bit until you see product settings and tap on billing option just below it. Then choose subscription and emails option. First, you want to switch the toggle on at the send emails about upcoming renewals, expiring card, when card payment failed, and when bank debit payments failed. This way, you can give a heads up to your customer about the next renewal so they can prepare for it. It will also apply as the reminder to the customer card expires, failed card payment, and also their bank debit failed. This way, it may increasing the likelihood that your subscriber count won't drop. After all of that changes, you want to scroll down for a bit and don't forget to click on the save button. If you scroll down again, you will see this manage failed payment section, and you can adjust more about the step when customer do failed their payment, the card payment retries, local payment method retry if you enable debit as the payment method, and also the subscription status if all retries for a payment fail. Maybe you decide not to cancel their subscription right away or something like that. While it can apply for the invoices status too, it all comes down to your policy or your company's policy. Don't forget to click the save button after every changes. Hopefully, all these settings may prevent your customer regarding failed payments to your Stripe subscription. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.